Do all drywall cracks mean I have a foundation problem? Hi, and welcome to another episode of You Ask, We Answer, questions from our customers about foundation repair issues. So today's question is, do all drywall cracks mean I have a foundation problem?
You know what, Brian? They certainly could. When things move, they typically tend to crack. But it doesn't necessarily mean that that type of movement is your foundation settling. It could be that they were built improperly with cheap materials. It could be that they expand or contract in the presence of moisture. Or it actually could mean that you have a foundation issue and it's something that you should hire Dalinghaus Construction to come check out.
So it doesn't mean that every time you see a drywall crack, it's going to be $1,000 million to get it fixed. So just keep that in mind. Drywall does crack. If there's any sort of movement within the house, it can be organic movement, seismic can move it, foundation settlement. So there's numerous things, and we got to just make sure we check all the boxes to make sure we diagnose it correctly and that we're able to give you a proper repair if there is an actual foundation issue.
Absolutely. We look at the big picture, so if it's one tiny crack, you're probably good. If your whole house is cracked, it might be a hint.
All right, keep those questions coming in, and until next time, this is an episode of You Ask,
We Answer.